Welcome to this video in which we are going to talk about how to set your career and professional goals. Thank you so much. First of all, thank you so much for giving your valuable responses and appreciation for the previous video which I posted regarding the 6 stages of your career. If you have not watched that video yet, I'll be giving a link into the card section. You can check that out video. That's a very powerful video and you can take maximum notes of it. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to set your career goals or professional goals in your life. And in this video, we are going to talk about some powerful techniques which I've learned from various mentors across the globe. So let's jump into our mind map and understand what we intend to speak about. So here we are right now. We are going to talk about how to set goals in your life. And in this video, we are going to talk about your career and professional goals as well. Right? So what I want you to do is subscribe to this channel right now. Press the bell icon so that you will be getting an instant update whenever I'll post any videos, and all the videos whichever I post is at least 12 minutes and longer, so that you will get maximum value out of it. So don't wait, just subscribe to this channel, because I was just checking my statistics yesterday and 70% of the people who come and watch the videos are not my subscriber. Okay, so we are taking efforts to help you to grow you. It's your responsibility and it's your support what we needed. So press the bell icon and press the subscribe button to move forward. So let's jump into what we are going to learn today. So as we know, in terms of goal setting, we need to have a very right approach and a robust approach, because if your goal setting is not done properly, there will be a possibility that you might not be able to achieve what you want in your life. And that is where the importance of goal setting comes in life, right? So whenever we talk about the goal setting, or whenever we talk about any of our videos are always covered with 4 basic things, which is concept, the main topic, what is the formula we are going to talk about, and what are the action points which I want you to take it, right? So let's jump into concepts. So whenever concept it comes, there is a point which says that goals are path to a success. Goals are path to your success. Now what does it mean by goals are path to your success? It means that if goals are not there, you're not going to get succeed, right? You cannot go and get succeed by accident. You have to go through the process of transformation. You cannot grow yourself without transformation. So transformation is the key over here. The second point which I want you to keep in mind over here is not having goals means not having direction. Now what does it mean by not having goals means not having direction? It simply means that it is like a ship on the harbor, right? If a ship is on the harbor and it is actually attached to the harbor, right? The purpose of that ship is not going to solve. That ship is basically meant to go into the sail into the water and go to the destination, right? And that is how our career goals are us to be. We need to be into a direction, we need to be into a action mode, and we cannot be into an isolation and we expect the result out of it. We cannot do that. So that is something, second topic which you need to consider as well. The third concept which I want you to focus upon is you need to be in the game to win the game. Now what does it mean by be in the game to win the game? See, remember one thing is that players are losers or winners, right? But players can't be always sitting on the fence and watching somebody to play. You have to be in the game to win the game. If you cannot be in the game, you won't be able to win the game. So what you need to do is, whatever things you need to do it in order to accept the fact that you need to achieve your goals, you need to take actions and take actions for your career growth. That is the concept which I want you to follow. And let's jump into our main topic for today, which is goal setting. How we are going to do a goal setting for you. In this section, what I want you to do is take maximum notes, because these 5 sections will probably change the entire direction of how the way you look at your career or a personal life, right? So when it comes to goal setting, I have clearly defined 5 components over here. The first component is basically about SMART goal. The second component is basically what kind of goals you want to tap. Third component, which would be about the milestone, okay? Fourth component is basically going to be about money management formula. And the fifth concept, I am going to talk about the periodic reviews. Now let's jump into one by one which are the topics we are talking about today. When it comes to SMART goals, all of us might have heard this term called SMART goal. Now what does it mean by SMART goals? SMART goals means a goal which is smart in nature. Now what does it mean by SMART? SMART means something which is specific, measurable, achievable, result oriented and timeline. For example, you want to create a goal for yourself, okay? Be it your salary growth. Now when you want to create a salary growth goal for your career, you need to create that into a SMART goal. So how you are going to create it? You are going to create in such a way wherein you are going to make a statement which says that I am going to increase my salary in the next 1 year by 30%, right? This will be a form and template of your salary growth goal. Now when it comes to salary growth goal, if you see, this statement was having all the components of SMART goals. It was having a specific goal which was salary growth, measurable 30% was there, whether achievable, yes it is achievable, result oriented, yes within 1 year, result oriented, yes it is going to increase your salary, and timeline, yes it is within 1 year. So that is how you need to create every goal in every aspect of your life, which I am going to talk to you in the second section, which is goal type. So let's jump into goal type. Now when it comes to a goal type, there are 3 different types of goal types. All the goals remain the same, but what happens is basically within the time frame your goals get changed within that particular spots. Okay, let's understand what are those three different time zones basically. So the first time zone is basically related to short-term goals. Now what does it mean by short-term goal? As the name suggests, it is a short-term goal which says that 0 to 3 years of goals. Anything which is you are starting right now and which you want to achieve within 3 years, that will fall under the short-term goals. Anything which is going to take your time between 3 to 7 years, it is going to be a medium-term goal, right? Anything which is going to take your time from 3 years to 7 years is going to be a medium-term goal. And anything which is going to be taking your time more than 7 years, okay, that has to be your long-term goal. So how we are going to do the short-term goal assessment? Let's do it. Now all these 5 components are going to remain the same in each of the categories. So there are 5 categories which you need to create a goal for yourself. You need to create a personal goal, you need to create a financial goal, you need to create a spiritual goal, you need to create a lifestyle goal, and you need to create your health goal. Now let's understand what does it mean by each goal. Now when it comes to a personal goal, it is more towards your personal, it is more towards your family, it's more towards your community. That is something which you need to create. Now when it comes to a personal goal, there will be a possibility wherein you would be creating a goals which are related to your spouse, which are related to your parents, which are related to your brothers and sisters as well. And that is where you need to create your goals keeping compassionate approach in mind. And that is something which will fall under the personal goal. And needless to say, every goal you need to create in a smart way. And if you are not going to create a smart goal, there will be a problem, there will be an approach or difficulty in functioning or executing that goal or measuring that goal. And that is where you need to understand that every goal has to be a smart goal. So what does it mean by financial goal? So for example, 0 to 3 years of experience, you want to increase your salary by at least 100%, okay, 30% salary growth every year you want to achieve. Whether it is going to be possible or not possible, that is a second story, because you need to execute after you make the strategy. Okay, after you make the goal, you need to execute strategies in order to achieve that target. That is the second thing which you need to do. The third type of goal is called spiritual goal. Now my mentor always says that we are not a human beings on a spiritual journey. We are a spiritual being on a human journey. And what does it mean? That we all are spiritually connected to some or the other factors. And we need to understand what derives us, what desires us, and what inspires us. And that is where you need to create that goals as well. Spiritual goals, right? It can be any kind of spiritual goal, but that has to be created in a smart goals manner itself. The fourth type of goal, which is called lifestyle goals. Now this is where most of the people do not create a lifestyle goal. Now understand, your salary might be 10,000, it might be 15,000, or it might be 1 lakh. In order to push forward you to the next level, to the next location, or to the next target, you need to create your next lifestyle goal. If you do not create your next lifestyle goal, there will be a probability that you might not get excited about moving forward in your career, and that's a very big thing, big risk you are going to take. So create a lifestyle goal which you want to achieve, which you want to, it can be wearing a shirt of a particular brand, it can be wearing a clothes of particular brand, it can be going to a particular location, it can be planning a vacation, it can be any kind of lifestyle goal which you want to create. And the last but not the least, which is health goal. Now what does it mean by health goal? Health goals means are those goals wherein you will be keeping every day count of your exercise, every day count of your contribution what you are making towards your health. So in this category, it comes around nutrition, it comes around exercise, it comes around meditation, it comes around any kind of form wherein health is going to maintain. It can be emotional, it can be mental, it can be physical health, right? So these 5 points are going to be remain same on each of the categories, and that is what you need to create. So let's jump into what are the milestones we need to check. And whenever we are checking the milestone, we need to understand that there are 5 types of milestone. Now why milestones are required? You need to understand that in order to create any goal, you need to understand whether you have completed some part of that goals or not, right? And that is where milestones are very important. And in milestone, you need to create, first milestone you need to create is creating an emergency fund for the 6 months. Creating an emergency fund for the 6 months. Now this is where most of the people fail. You need to create an emergency fund of 6 months whenever you are working. During this last 1 year, whatever people I have encountered, okay, whatever working professional I have encountered, all those people are having only one problem. They are not able to sustain 2 months EMI after working for 20, 10, 15 years as well. And you need to understand that if you are working for 10, 15 years into an industry, and if you are not able to sustain 2 months, that's very difficult to say, right? So create an emergency fund of at least 6 months. 6 months of your expenses. So man lo, you are having around a 60,000 salary and your monthly expenses around 40,000. So 40 into 6 will be your 2,40,000 as an emergency corpus. The second thing is basically about doing a regular investment. 10% of your monthly gross salary has to go into your wealth investment, right? 10% of your regular investment has to go into wealth creation, and this is something, another milestone which you need to create for yourself. The third point which you want to create for yourself is planning a vacation with your family. See, understand, we earn a lot, we put our efforts a lot, but it is no point if you are not going to enjoy that time, if you are not going to enjoy that money with your family. And that is the third point which you need to keep in mind, that is planning for a vacation with your family. The fourth point which you want to keep in mind is basically having a lifestyle goal. Whatever goal you want to acknowledge or you want to accept, it can be buying a house, buying a car, or any other thing which is inspiring and challenging. If you are not going to get inspiring and challenging goals in front of you, there will be a possibility wherein you will lose out the momentum. The fifth point is basically about doing things which you like without money being intention. Now this is a very common point which I always talk about. You should not only work for money, you should work for passion, you should work for society contribution, you should work for things which really inspires you. And if you work on these things, this creates a spiritual goal as well, right? This creates a spiritual goal as well. And this was a milestone part which I want you to keep a focus on it. Now let's understand what about money management formula. Now this money management formula I have been received is basically from one of my mentor, which is called Siddharth Rasekar, and he has received from his mentor, which is called Vic Strizers. And this formula is very powerful, which I have been using it from quite a few months now. Whenever you want to create a money management formula in your life, you need to create your money management formula in such a way wherein you need to bifurcate your salary in 5 components. Now what are those components? The first component, which is called tax. The second component, which is called wealth, charity, general and operations. Tax here, in which you need to keep aside your 10% of your monthly earning besides you, okay, which is only for tax purpose, income tax purpose, and that is what you do not have to touch. After every year, whenever the tax filing will come, you need to use this fund and pay the taxes. The second point is basically about wealth. Now whenever wealth comes in, you need to understand whatever you earn, invest 10% of your money in mutual fund, in stock, or any other place wherever you believe into, right? 10% of investment has to be done. Charity is a very important part, because 5% of your monthly charity has to go. Monthly gross salary ka 5% you need to charity, because this will create a magic in your life. I don't know how it works, but it really works, because whenever you give a charity, there is some kind of magical force works for you and it comes back to you. I have personally witnessed. Do try this and do comment into the video if you have done or if you have ever witnessed this kind of a magical experience. The fourth point is basically about general expenses. Now general expenses means what? General expenses means 60% of your salary should be spent on general expenses, and out of 60%, 40% of the salary should be spent on your grocery, household expenses. 15% salary should be spent on your 10% should be spent on monthly savings, and 5% should be spent on fun and play. Now what does it mean by fun and play? Going to malls, eating something, eating out, right? You might be doing any kind of things, but you have to allocation of your budget in the right sense, and that is what you need to do in terms of general operations. Operations, 15% you need to allocate yourself, and when you are allocating this, you need to allocate this for a training and development purpose. You will be able to grow in your life till the time you are growing yourself, right? As soon as you stop growth of yourself, and as soon as you tell yourself that I know everything, trust me, you are not going to grow in your life, okay? And that has been my experience, that has been my observation through all the people who have not been able to grow in their life, and this has been very powerful. You need to grow yourself. Now let's jump into periodic reviews. What does it mean by periodic review? When it comes to a periodic review, you need to understand there are three components over here. The first component, which is talking about responsibility. The second component, which is talking about accountability. And the third component, which is talking about reporting method. Now when it comes to a responsibility, it is your responsibility to create and achieve your goals. Okay, it is your responsibility to create and achieve your goals. It is accountability of your family members to support you. It can be parents, it can be spouse, it can be siblings. It is their responsibility, it is their accountability which is going to hold you and accountable to achieve your goals. So how you need to do is, whenever you create a goal, sit in front of them, okay, discuss with them what are your short term goal, medium term goal and long term goal, and ask them to keep yourself accountable, hold yourself as an accountable. And as soon as somebody start taking you accountable, you'll start performing. That is how the human behavior really works. And the third method which I talk about, which is called the reporting method. Now when it comes to a reporting method, whenever accountability system has been set up, whether by your parents, whether your spouse, or whether by your siblings, you need to sit in front of them every quarter closing, and you need to tell them that what is working and what is not working. And this has been working at my end as well, and this is something which is giving me results as well. And I want you to take a maximum note and implement these things, because it will create a magic in your life. Now what does it mean by formula? Every video I give some kind of formula to you, right? So formula in this video would be, there are three formulas. Identify what you really want in your life. Okay, identify what you really want in your life. Identify who will help you to achieve that. Identify who will help you to achieve that. And the third thing is that follow that path unconditionally. Now what does it mean by unconditionally? There are people who put condition that I do not want to invest in anything, I do not want to take this, I do not want to take that. They create a barrier in front of them in order to grow themselves. See, in order to understand, I'll give you an analogy of a small plant. If you really want to grow that plant, you will plant that seed into basically a place wherein there is a soil which is fertile. you are actually pouring a water on a daily basis, you are giving a sunlight, and all these components are creating growth in their life, right? A plant's life. And that is where you need to understand you will not be able to grow in your life till the time you are growing yourself, right? And the action point for this video I would like you to take is basically join my FB Facebook group, which is Job Hunters Mastermind. The link of this group will be played into the description. The second action point what I want you to do is I have a Telegram group on which I conduct various kinds of polls. So this group has guided me to create a video on how to set goals in your life, and this is something I'm doing it as a part of my contribution to the society, and you can be a part of that group as well. And the third part is basically I'm conducting a workshop wherein I am helping like-minded people grow their salaries multiple times, okay, by implementing the strategic career growth in their life. And if you are really interested to take your career growth in the right way, I would want you to attend my upcoming workshop, and the link of this workshop will be given into the description itself. Until then, I want you to put yourself into an action mode, commit yourself, and grow and chase your dreams. Put your comments into the comment box and let me know your feedback if you want me to make any videos on any of the topics. Till then, take care and have an awesome day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.